Welcome to Chapter 13, Network Security Basics. In this chapter, we'll explore how networks are protected from cyber threats. You'll learn the key concepts, common risks, and essential security measures that form the foundation of safe and reliable communication. Let's dive in and see how strong network security keeps our digital world connected and protected. Question 1. What is the main purpose of a firewall in network security? A. To accelerate internet speed. B. To block all external communication. C. To filter network traffic based on rules. D. To store sensitive data. Correct answer. C. To filter network traffic based on rules. Right arrow explanation. Firewalls act as gatekeepers, blocking or allowing traffic according to security policies. 2. Which device is primarily used to connect multiple networks together? A. Switch. B. Router. C. Hub. D. Bridge. Correct answer. B. Router. Explanation. Routers direct data between different networks, ensuring secure and correct delivery. 3. What is the main risk of using public Wi-Fi without protection? A. Slower internet speeds. B. Risk of eavesdropping and data theft. C. Overuse of bandwidth. D. Limited access to websites. Correct answer. B. Risk of eavesdropping and data theft. Explanation. Public Wi-Fi is often unsecured, making it easy for attackers to enter. Please pause, take a moment to assimilate or go back if needed. Do you remember the saying, "Practice makes a man perfect"? Your success depends upon how much you learn. 4. Which of the following is not a common network security threat? A. Man-in-the-middle attack. B. SQL injection. C. Denial of service attack. D. Network segmentation. Correct answer. D. Network segmentation. Explanation. Segmentation improves security. It isolates parts of a network to reduce risk. 5. What does VPN stand for? A. Virtual Protection Network. B. Verified Private Network. C. Virtual Private Network. D. Virtual Public Network. Correct answer. C. Virtual Private Network. Explanation. VPNs encrypt data and create secure tunnels over public networks. 6. Which type of attack involves tricking users into revealing sensitive information through fake websites or emails? A. Spoofing. B. Phishing. C. Sniffing. D. Flooding. Correct answer. B. Phishing. Explanation. Phishing relies on social engineering, tricking victims into giving up credentials or personal data. 7. What is network sniffing used for? A. Monitoring and capturing data packets on a network. B. Encrypting communication. C. Speeding up file transfers. D. Blocking malware. Correct answer. A. Monitoring and capturing data packets on a network. Explanation. Sniffing can be used for troubleshooting, but attackers misuse it to steal sensitive data. 8. What does IDS stand for in network security? A. Internet Data Service. B. Intrusion Detection System. C. Internal Data Security. D. Instant Defense Setup. Correct answer. B. Intrusion Detection System. Explanation. IDS detects unusual or malicious activity and alerts administrators. 9. Which of the following is an example of secure network protocol? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. HTTPS. D. Telnet. Correct answer. C. HTTPS. Explanation. HTTPS encrypts communication, unlike HTTP, FTP, or Telnet, which transmit data in plaintext. 10. Which concept ensures that a user only accesses resources necessary for their role? A. Least privilege. B. Defense in depth. C. Access denial. D. Firewalls. Correct answer. A. Least privilege. Explanation. The principle of least privilege minimizes risk by limiting user access rights to what's strictly required. Thank you for watching. Network security is the first line of defense in our digital world. Remember, every secure connection starts with awareness and smart practices. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep building your cyber-safe future.